Well, students, welcome back to mathematics class. Now, equations will be studied now. Equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. Here, first example, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus of 4 by y is equal to, it is minus 2. Okay, minus of 2 they are given. So now how to reduce this one into a pair of linear equations? So solution for this, now we can take here, okay, 2 I'll write here outside. Now I'll write here 1 divided by x. Okay, anyhow this is 2 into 1 is what, again 2 divided by x itself. So plus again I'll write here 3, it's divided by again 1 divided by y is equal to 30. Now similarly for this equation, okay, 5 I'll write outside, I'll keep the bracket here, it is again 1 divided by x minus of, again I'll keep here 4, now it is 1 divided by y is equal to minus of 2. These are the what here, two equations. Let now can consider here, okay, let 1 by x means you can take it a, okay, and one more 1 by y is equal to what, you can take it b. Okay, once you have taken these two, substitute this 1 by x means what, a, 1 by y means b. Here you can substitute. Okay, once you substituted means this implies it is 2 by, it is, sorry, 2 into a plus again it is 3 into b is equal to 13. This you can take equation number 1. Now second equation, similarly 5 into a minus of 4 into b is equal to how much we have, minus of 2. So this is what your second equation. Okay, now equation 1 and equation 2 are over. Now what you need to do means solve by solving these two equations. What I'll be do means by any method. You have learnt already three methods. Okay, substitution method you learned about cross multiplication and elimination method. What I'll be do means I'll go with the what, elimination method. 2a plus of 3b is equal to 13, and this is, now one more here we have 5a minus of 4b is equal to minus of 2. Okay, so here 3, here we have the what, here 4. Now multiply, let me write here, multiply, this is what, 1 and this is what, 2. Multiply 1 by how much, here we can make both are 12. Okay, multiply 1 by 4 and here multiply 2 by 3. So once you multiply 2 by 3, what will be happen? Just take it here. Now this implies it is 4 into 2, 8 of a plus 4 into 3 is 12b is equal to 4 into 13 is 52. Okay. Now next multiply 2 by how much? 3. 5 into 3, 15a. Now 3 into 4, it is 12b is equal to 3 into it is 6. Now eliminate. So now directly can eliminate this, minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled. Remaining is what? Yes, fast. 15 plus 8. Is it 23? 23a. This side we have 52 minus of 6. Is it 46? Yes. Now a is equal to how much here? We can say 2. So a is equal to 2. Once you got a is equal to 2, in equation number 1 you can substitute the value of a. So in equation 1, so this becomes what here, 2 into 2 plus of 3b is equal to 13. Now this is 4 plus of 3b is equal to 13. Now 3b is equal to 13 minus of it is 4, 13 minus of 4. Now this becomes 3b is as it is. Now it is 9. So b is equal to 3. So B is equal to 3. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Okay. So for the next step, so what we are consider above here, above what we are consider 1 by x is equal to a. So already therefore 1 by x is equal to what? A. A means what here? 2. Now also and 1 by y means what we are taken? B, but what is the value of B is 3. Now again this implies we have what is the value of x? 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Have you understood all of you, or may I explain once again? Have you understood all of you, or may I explain once again? Tell me fast. Give me the answer fast. Answer me fast. I need to move for next question. Yes? Okay. All of you. Fast. Okay. If you don't
Understood, sir.
okay. So I'll move for next question. Now, example 18. So let me write it is second one. Okay. In this, it is second one. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So first, it is 5 divided by x minus of 1 plus it is 1 divided by y minus of 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now one more equation, 6 by x minus of 1 minus 3 by y minus of 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Now you know it very well what to do. Solution. So take 5 is outside, keep the bracket here, 1 divided by x minus of 1. Okay. Now let me write correctly. Okay. Now plus again here 1 is there, no need to write here. So 1 divided by y minus of 2. So now next is equal to 2. So for this 6 keep outside, it is 1 by x minus of 1 minus of again this side you can keep 3, it is 1 by y minus of 2. Okay. So now this is equal to 1. So next step you know it very well. Let 1 by x minus of 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus of 2 is equal to b. Okay. Now once you have taken this much, now these values you can substitute here. So it is what will be happens, it is 5a plus of 5a plus of b is equal to 2. Now we can take this is what equation number 1. Now equation 2, it is 6a plus of minus of, it is minus of 3b is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now here minus 3b is there, here only b is there. What you need to multiply? You need to get value. Okay. So for this it is minus, let me minus 3. Okay. So yes, for equation 1, how much you need to multiply? You can multiply equation 1 by the what? 3. Enough. Once you multiply it means it is 3 into 5, 15a plus of 3b is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Now this is 6a. So minus of 3b is equal to 1 as it is. Don't multiply anything by the words equation second. Okay. Now next. So plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. remaining 15a and plus it is 21. A is equal to 7. Now A is equal to how much then? It is 7 by 21. So A is equal to 1 by 3. So once you got A is equal to 1 by 3. So next step, you know it very well. A is equal to 1 by 3 what here? Okay, this value can substitute where in equation number 1. So in equation 1. So in equation 1 is what here? 5 A value is what here? 1 by 3 plus of B is equal to 2. Now 5 by it is 5 by 3 plus of B is equal to 2. Now take the LCM. So this becomes what? This implies it is 5 only plus of 3 B is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Now next keep here 3b as it is. Now this is 6 minus of 5. Okay, so b is equal to 1 by 3. Is it? B is equal to 1 by 3. Check the answers fast. Check the answers fast. Both are correct or not? A and B. So once A and B are correct, now go for the what here? Substituting these values. Okay, let what we are considered 1 divided by x plus x minus of 1. Okay, here we are taken what? 1 by x minus of 1 means A, means it is 1 by 3, and one more 1 by what we are taken, it is 1 by, is it
y
y
minus
minus
2.
of 2? Yes, y minus of 2 is equal to, again it is 1 by 3. Now similarly these two again you can cross multiply, this into this into this. So 3 is equal to, it is 3x minus of 3, and this equation is 3 is equal to again x minus of 2 itself. Okay, is it right? 3x minus of 3 I am written here. Is it right? Tell me fast.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now see 3 into 1 is 3, x it is only x minus of 1. Okay. Now we got again this, you can take equation number 3, and this is what your equation number 4 you can take. Now solve equation 3 and 4. Now solving
3 is equal to y minus 2 बरोबर sir. Equation 4, 3 is equal to y minus 2.
Y minus, yes, this y minus of 2. Okay. Now solving 3 and 4. Okay. Now solving 3 and 4. So once we solve 3 and 4, so this will be, see here, I'll write 3 as it is here this side, it is x minus of 1, and it is 3 is equal to y minus of it is y minus, okay, cross multiply y minus of x, and we need to eliminate something here. So y minus of 2, and it is 3. No. Directly we can take here x value. Sorry. No. Here by solving 3 and 4. Okay. Now x is equal to this minus 1 you can send this side, so it is 3 plus of 1, so x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now next here 3 y minus of 2 is there. Now this 2 can send this side, so y you can keep as it is, this you can send this side, so this becomes 3 plus of 2, so y is equal to 5. Check the answers now. Y is equal to, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Okay.
5.
Next. Next here one problem is there. So let me read that problem. So the problem is here. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. Okay. So now in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of that boat in still water. Okay. So before of this I'll explain you what is meant by upstream and downstream. Okay. Now suppose you can take, this is what, a river. This is river. One river is there, and okay. Now here it's a boat. Here it's a what? Boat. So if this boat is, this flow of the water is this side. Okay, direction flow of the water is this side. This moving this side. The flow of the water is this side. If the water is moving from, it is left to the right, and the boat is also going left to the what? Right itself. Along the flow of the what? Along the flow of water is nothing but what? Downstream. Okay, along the flow of water is downstream. Okay, now opposite of flow opposite of flow is there, means that will be called as upstream. Opposite of flow is upstream. Okay, now still water means what? It is stocked water. Okay, stock means ನೀವೇನಂತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ ನೀರು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. Okay, now stream ಹರಿಯುವ ನೀರು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Okay, so now upstream and the what here? Downstream, both we have here. Now have you understood? First of all, downstream means what? If the what here, we can say along with the what? Along with the flow of the water the boat is moving, means that is what? Downstream. If the flow is what? From left to right and the boat is coming from right to left, opposite of the flow of the water, that is what? Upstream. Okay, now downstream is what? Always plus, and upstream is what? Negative. Okay, now the problem I'll read here. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream. Upstream means what here? You know it very well. Okay, minus. Okay, upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. It is goes what? Again 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream. In 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream. Speed of the what here? Stream. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇವೇನು ಹರಿಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀರಿಟ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋದಿತ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು ಫ್ಲೋ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, now that of the boat in the still water, that of the ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ ನೀರೊಳಗ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೈತೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, now for that solution let the speed of boat in still water x kilometer per hour. Okay, now next let speed of boat in stream. Sorry, it is the speed of stream only. Speed of stream B. Speed of stream boat, no. Okay, speed of stream B y kilometer per hour. Okay, y kilometer per hour. Now next, once this you are taken both, now the speed of boat to downstream, the speed of, now we can take speed of boat, speed of the boat downstream. How we can write downstream? You know it very well. It is x plus of y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now next, speed of the boat upstream. Speed of the boat upstream. Speed of the boat. No, it is happening like this. Speed of the boat upstream. So this we can write as x minus of y kilometer per hour. Okay. So once you return this one, you know it very well. What is the formula to calculate speed? Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to
D by
distance
T.
by time. Okay, distance by time. If you require time, what will we do? If you require the time, you can just take time this side, send the speed into this side. Okay, time is equal to what? Again, it is distance by speed. Isn't it? Distance by speed. Now, one by one will be calculated. In the first case, when the boat goes 30 kilometer upstream, okay, first case ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರು, boat goes 30 kilometer upstream, that the time taken in hour be t1. So in first case, in the case when boat goes 30 kilometer upstream, 30 kilometer upstream, then the time taken b, then the time taken b, we can write t1 is equal to 30, distance is how much? 30 divided by, and here upstream we are taken, upstream means what? X minus of y, x minus of y, t1 is equal to 30 by x minus of y. Let time taken for going the what here, in the case, second case, in the second case, boat goes how much kilometer? 44 kilometer downstream. Okay, then the time taken, so how we can write? t2 is equal to, so 44, distance is 44 divided by, it is x plus of y. Okay, so t1 and t2 we are written now. So together the total time, therefore total time is t1 plus of t2. So t1 plus t2 means how we can write this one? It is 30 divided by x minus of y plus of 44 by x plus of y is equal to x plus of y, it is okay, is equal to how much? Total hours, 10 hours. Okay, 10 hours, isn't it? Once you return this much. Now next, again they are given here. Similarly you can take, this is what equation number 1. So now similarly they are given in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream directly. Similarly I'll write now, similarly how much? 40 kilometer upstream, that means 40 by x minus of y plus 55 by x minus x plus of y downstream is equal to, time is 13 hours. Total time is 13 hours. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. So now next we need to solve now equation 1 and 2. You know it very well how to solve. Equations are reducible to pair of linear equations. So let, you can take now 1 divided by, it is x minus of y means a, and one more 1 by x plus of y is equal to b. Okay, both if you are taken means. Now next, these values we can write here. Okay, 30a. So now plus of 44 b is equal to 10. Now again similarly 40a plus of 55 b is equal to 13. Okay, now solve by any one method. Okay, you have 3 methods, so solve by these two equations. Any, and 40 is there here, 45 and 55 is there. Okay, now multiply here equations. Which method you know you need, that method we can solve here. Okay, which methods we can use here? Can we use elimination method? Yes, tell me fast. Can we use elimination method? Yes, multiply this equation by the what here? Okay, 4. Okay, and this equation by the what? 3. Now check it, what will be happens, it is, if you multiply means this implies 4 into 3, it is 4 into 3, how much? 12, oh sorry, 4 into 3, 120, it is 120. This is 120a plus, it is 4 into 44. How much it is? 4 into 44. Fast, tell me answers. Tell me fast. 4
174.
into 4.
174.
104
74.
into 44. 74 or 176?
Sir, 176.
176b is equal to, it is 40. Now this is 3 into 4. Again it is 120a plus 3 into 55. How much? 165? Is it 165?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 3 into it is 39. Correct? Now next. So this is minus, minus, minus. These two will be what here? Vanishes. Now next. 176, 165. Remaining is how much? Is it L1?
Yes, sir.
5 and 6. Now 40, 39. Remaining is how much? L1?
1, sir.
1. Okay, 1 is remaining here. Okay, next. So B is equal to 1 by L1. Okay, what is the value of B here? It is 1 by L1. Now by taking this value, I'll substitute in equation number 1 or 2. Okay. So any one equation you can substitute. So where I need to substitute this one, I'll substitute in 1. In 1. 1 means which one we are taken here? Nothing we are taken. We are taken that. So sorry, in this you can take 3 and this is 4. In 4 I'll substitute. Okay. In 3 I'll substitute. Now it is what? 30a plus of how much it is? 44b. 44b. B means what here? 1 by L1 is there. Is equal to how much? 10. It is 10. Now forza it is. Okay. So now this implies again 30a plus of it is 4 is equal to 10. Now next 30a as it is. So it is 6. Now next a is equal to 6 by 30. What is the value of a?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 5. Once you have a is equal to 1 by 5, next what you need to do? Next is by taking these two values, what you need to do? You know it very well. Yes. What we are taken, let here 1 by x minus y means a. We are taken 1 divided by x minus of y means a, but a value is what here? 1 by 5 and 1 by what is that? Is it x plus of y is equal to, we are taken b value is what? 1 by L1. Now next cross multiply, it is 5 will come. Now this into this, it is x minus of y and this is L1 as it is. Now this is x plus of y. Now we need to eliminate this one. Okay, again. So by the elimination method, we need to get the answer here. 5u x minus of. So 5u is equal to x minus of. Okay. 5u is equal to x minus of y and one more. L1 is equal to x plus of y. So by the elimination, what we can get, is it this y minus y and plus y get cancelled here. So it is, you will get here 2x is equal to, and this is 16. Okay. Now x is equal to how much then? 8. X is equal to 8. Now once you got x is equal to 8, here you can substitute the value. Okay, in this equation once you substituted means it is 5u is equal to x minus of y. Here you can substitute, x is 8, 5u as it is 8 minus of y. This you can take this side. So it is minus 8 plus of 5u is equal to minus of y. Now next, so answer will come here, minus 3 is equal to minus of y, but y is equal to 3. Check the answers. X is equal to 8. X means what? Let the speed of still water be 8 km per hour and let the speed of stream be 3 km per hour. Is it there? Yes. Now next I'll come to the exercise 3.6. Have you understood? Have you understood up to here? Speak out. Speak out something. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಳಿಲಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ? ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್, ವಿನಿತಾ, ತಬ್ರೇಜ್, ಸಂದೀಪ್, ಸಭಾ, ಮೇಘಾ, ಹನಿ, Ganesh Donwad, all of you have understood this one?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll
Yes,
move
sir.
next one. Okay. I'll move the next one. Exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. Okay. Now, first question. Wait. Before going to the first, here, let me read the question. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay. Now, here total 8 problems are there. Among of that, I'll solve 5. I'll solve 5. You can solve 3. Choice is yours. Which one I need to solve, you can tell that I'll solve, and the remaining you can solve. This is what the remaining are homework to you. Okay.